Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Twitch and then play video games on the PlayStation 5 at the same time. Now to do this, I'm going to press the PlayStation button, then go on down to the game base right here and select this. Then I can go to messages, and I have this one account I made. It's called Search-Browser, where I simply just send URLs to. Now you can go up to the friends list right here and go to search for players and just search for Search-Browser. Or if you have a friend that you like sending links to or something like that, or just another account. So I made this account one of my favorites, so it's always showing up under my messages. I can go ahead and select it now, and then just simply type in a URL. So I've used this with Bing.com or YouTube.com. So let's go to Twitch.com, and then type this in, and then go to .com. Now we'll be brought to this page, and we won't be signed in at all, but we do have the option to sign in if we really want to. So just go to this little option over here, and then sign in. The only thing is, it's kind of annoying signing in when you only have your keyboard, when you don't have a keyboard and mouse. So you can go to the traditional options under here, and you can browse specific games. So World of Warcraft is kind of cool right now. Let's select this, and then bring open a stream. So let's go to this person's stream right here. I don't know who it is, method, and we'll probably get an ad at some point. So once we have this up, what we can do is we can resize the card, or we can just simply press options, and then we can go to resize card, and we can put it to the side now. So you can see the Twitch stream right here. Press options again, and go to pin to side. And then we can go to the left or right. So I'm going to put it to the right. And then I'm going to bring open a game and press X. So here's Rocket League. So I can be playing now, and then I can watch the Twitch stream on the right side here. And I can even see the chat. So if you want to bring open a stream like this, this is very easy to do. And you can quickly go back and forth by pressing the PlayStation button twice. And you can bring open that stream. So if you just press this twice, you can have it over here. To actually close this now, what you want to do is press options when you get to this screen, and then you need to go to exit pin to side, and then press options again, and now go to close card, and this will remove the web browser from your PlayStation. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.